Hello and welcome back to the Christmas week recap. It's really a different one, just like I said in the last week. We had, as expected, a different kind of price action, but it was not as bad as I thought it could be. On Monday, we seemed to have literally nothing, but on Tuesday, I saw two really good setups that I didn't take because, as I said, it's a week where we all, in my opinion, should be trading only on paper accounts just for tape reading. And I just want to recap those two trades that I thought could really be taken if we were on a different kind of week and a different kind of price action. So here on a 15 minute, we still had this new week opening gap to fill. And when we were coming down here, I thought that we would fill all this and then I would wait for new structure and see what we could get for. But we swept this low inside of the new week opening gap and we went up. If we go on a 5 minute, we see that while going up, we made this relatively equal highs here inside this fair value gap. So this was a really good target. And as you can see right here, we tapped this 5 minute fair value gap before taking this high. So when I saw that, we tapped it right here because on this week we still hadn't formed the 5 minute fair value gap. And as you can see on the 1 minute, we don't have a single setup that we could take. But if we go to the 30-second, we have this fair value gap right here. Now, I know that this isn't obvious. It's a really small one. It's just 3 points. It's not something I usually take, but it's something good worth reminding. I know we didn't take this obvious low, but we took this one right here and we tapped the 5 minute busy and respected it quickly and went up with momentum. And because we had the equal lows inside the fair value gap, I really thought this was a good one. But of course, this isn't an A plus setup. We were in premium of this leg, as you can see, and of course I didn't take this. And now, if we go again on a 5 minute, as just to remind ourselves, we have this 5 minute BPR right here, and we swept this relatively equal highs inside this fair value gap and quickly went down. And if we go back on the 1 minute, we have this obvious fair value gap. We inversed it with momentum. We could take this short, which I did. I took the short on a paper account. I took both of these plays and I got 2 wins, but it's just paper money. We could take this short, which I entered around here, and I took it all down to the 930 wick, which is, as I said in the previous video, is a really good liquidity pool. I said that my daily target would be to fill the new week opening gap. But because, once again, this is the weeks where price action tends not to be perfect, we need to take partials or all the position before a long move. So I took all my position out at the 930 wick, which was a really big move. And on the paper account, I was really up for that day. And that's all I have to mention on the 24th and the 25th. We didn't have anything. I wasn't even looking at the charts. And I think on Friday, the 26th, we had some possible plays, but I wasn't there to analyze them and I won't even talk about them. So that's it for today. On the next week, we'll be doing the same thing. But as I said before, price action tends to be choppy. I will not be trading. I'll just be on a paper account. But I'll do a recap if I see some decent setups to talk about. If not, I won't be here. See you next week. Thank you.